This is a final test of 41389. This kind of became a pet project of mine because the display was intermittent and I just could not let this go with the display out, even though um, the customer wanted it back with the display dead and just have it set up in a certain position like CD, and he would use it that way. So it took a while, but I found the defective part. This is an item that's been out of production for at least a decade or a decade and a half, but I'm quite proud of what has come about of this. I just want to show you, Bruce, what we're going to do here. We're going to connect this to a test panel, and we're going to, number one, listen to it, but listening on this type of um, microphone and situation is not very accurate. What's more accurate is we're going to actually be able to view the audio on this device, which is called a dual trace oscilloscope. The upper display is going to show your left channel, lower display is going to show your right. There's also, to the items right, and as we're viewing left, above two frequency counters, those are the items with the zeros. You'll see two little orange dots. That is in parallel with the dual trace oscilloscope, which is going to show us the decibel levels in real time. So we'll power it up and listen to a radio station initially, but then I want to go over to a laboratory generator being fed into the CD inputs where we can actually view the quality of the output stages. So let's turn this on. Have to keep the light down because this camera will saturate, especially with the oscilloscope display. So turn it on. There's the display, which we thought we would never get back again. How about that? And it typically takes the design on most of these items between 5 and 10 seconds for the speaker relay to kick in. That's to allow the bias stages to, the audio stages to bias up properly. So, and as I turn this up, it may distort the microphone and override my voice. So what we're going to do at a certain amplitude is switch over to dummy loads. Dummy loads stress the item just like speakers, but convert the audio energy into heat, which allows us to run the item much louder than would be comfortable for my ears or my bench speakers. So here we go. I'm going to go over to CD, which I think is not that way. It's this way. There we go. And we're going to see now. And I'm going to go over. There's the dummy load switching. Now we can actually see and we can measure distortion levels and things like that. But this item is, if I get a little more gain out of this, we can run this harder. Don't want to run it too high, but wow. Right there is, whoo! Let me show you something. When the top and the bottom of the sine wave starts to square wave like this, that is full power, and if we run it there too long, we blow the item up. But this machine is back to functioning with display, and I'm quite proud of my effort. And I'm happy that you allowed me this extra time to find this part to save this. At one time, this had to be top of the line or very close to it. Okay, that's the end of this. We can go back if we want to listen to sine waves. That's the end of this test, and we're sending this up to YouTube.